So, hi Vijeta.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, Vijeta, thank you for participating in the emotional well-being course. It's very special to me because this was my first batch, and I would love if you could say something about how was your experience.
Um, uh, to speak very genuinely, I thought it to be a course, but as I went through the journey of 10 weeks, uh, I never thought it that I'm studying something or it's a course, but it is a journey of self healing and self healing, and eventually it went to a place where my family is healing, my child is healing, my husband is healing, and my in-laws, my mother, and my whole family. As we went through the journey, we all got healed. Mm, I mean,
It's like a ripple effect. Like if you've put a
yes, yes,
stone in the center and you've
yes,
changed, and everything around you is
yes.
changing.
It's the centrifugal force that I can say. It was like spreading, and it's still spreading, and it will spread throughout our lives. That is what I'm feeling.
Wow, wow. So, Vijeta, what made you come into the course? What was the reason you joined the course?
To be very genuine, I was in a state of extreme grief, pain, suffering, and for Ayansh and means many other reasons in my personal life and all, which I was not able to cope up. Uh, I did not know how to handle stress and how to handle situations. To be very precise, um, somewhere I was like in a well which I had created. I means now I feel. But the pain that I was getting through all these situations, um, I never thought I'll do a course and I'll come out of this. But my husband supported me uh, join this course. I don't know what made him to think that I'll get healed out of this course or what, I don't know. It is his contribution and my means, uh, what to say, even my desire to heal myself. So this is what, because situations were so messy and I didn't know how to like come out of this pain and all. So this made me to
Join it. Okay.
join the course.
And Vijeta, how has joining the course helped your child? Because mainly it's the child, I mean, I
Yes,
mainly
yes,
work with the child, and the reason we do this course is so that we can help the child better. So,
yes.
how has your child benefited?
Um, Ma'am, Ayansh, I was doing. I was associated with you since last 2 years. Uh, I'm doing means even before that I had done occupational therapy, speech therapy, and even now I was doing that. The greatest improvement in Ayansh is he means I in the last 2 or 1.5 months he learned a lot of things. The efforts were same, but because I was very much less in stress, and I knew how to means I understood how to handle Ayan's stress actually. So he learned many things in a very faster pace, because last 3 weeks he learned in 1 week itself he learned certain self-help skills which I was trying to do since the past 2 years, and coping skills, and certain improvement in writing, and basically more of understanding he got, and he got to self-regulate himself. I didn't teach him to self-regulate, but I don't know how he got self-regulation by himself. So and more of communication he has started now. This is the most primary thing that I would like to share with you. He um, he started communicating more with me and my husband. Because so this is how it has helped Ayans. And his bonding with me has improved.
So, what I understand, and correct me if you feel it is true, is
Yes,
that because our children are constantly co regulating They're constantly wanting and searching and scanning for safety in adults. And when he found you less stressed and when he could anchor onto your state of calmness, he is calmer, and because of that, he's learning faster. Is that what you're trying to
Yes, yes,
convey?
yes, yes, ma'am. He's in stress, but he is trying to communicate his stress that this is what I'm feeling. My child is non-verbal, ma'am, but he's trying to communicate that to me because he felt that means he can communicate to me more precisely. So that was not happening earlier.
Hmm.
Whatever his state, whatever he is wanting to, he's trying to communicate more with me because my state was not this kind earlier. I was in my world of stress and agony and everything. So that
Uh,
maybe he's feeling that I'm in less stress, so he's trying to communicate with me. This is what I have felt.
Okay. Do you want to tell people who are listening some basic idea about what was the course, how long it was, what did you feel when you started it, how did things change for you? Like just a brief overview for people who don't even know what it is about.
Yes, ma'am. I would love to share my experience because I feel this is a course for all of us because we are struggling, especially a parent with special needs child. We all are in somehow in we are all in stress. It means I would like to share my experience of a participant who is a partner of mine. I mean, who's a friend of mine. He was so much scared of the word autism that she would never, even if she any parent asked, "आपका child autism है," then that day would be a, I mean, nightmare for her. That was such a bad situation, and she was reluctant to say that her child is autism to her family, to her close relatives even. So this is what was her state, and she used to always be. I mean, she used to take antidepressants and everything. So much she was in stress, and she was staying abroad, and she was not going India only for this reason. So this is what it's not only her. Many of the parents are in this that state. They don't want to say others that their child are special needs child. So she accepted. I mean, this course helped her so much that she accepted her child is autistic. She accepted him, and she is now so much. I mean, she is free to speak with everyone about autism, and she's accepted her child also. And even now, whatever my situation, she's ready that I can handle the situation. I mean, that is what is a big self confidence and boost that she got out of this course. And to speak out to parents, I mean, uh, in me, I found a lot of change in many things, ma'am. So if I just put it in points, because if I elaborate, it will be so long. But just put it in points. Uh, I used to get very very bad dreams earlier, very very bad dreams. So I mean, now to elaborate on the dreams, uh, in this self-healing process of only 2 to 3 weeks, it's not that I used to get the dream only 1 or 2 years. Since past 10, 15 years, I used to get very, very horrible dreams. I'm losing my loved ones, someone was killed, I am killed, someone, all these bad dreams. So that is what it went away completely. I'm having a peaceful sleep. I don't know how it helped, but I'm having a peaceful sleep. I'm getting dreams of gods, goddesses, and everything. So this is what, and um, my family's routine in the sense because the waking up of morning for me was a very big thing. It would never happen for me that I wake up at morning. So now if once I wake up completely being alert. That is what. So my family routine got better because there is not um, because my child who is his name is Ayansh. He mm, so to say um, because he learned self-regulating. We did not have much time spending on meltdowns and tantrums because lot of time was spent in tantrums and meltdowns only. That got reduced, and we have a very good routine for everyone. Not only me, my child, my husband, and my in-laws also. So we have a good routine, and uh, I started communicating more and more to everyone. If because and eventually my stress was reduced out of it, because communication is what I was always keeping things to myself. I came out of that zone of keeping things to myself. I started communicating and mm, understand my triggers. I understood where I am slipping into, what are my triggers, how to regulate myself in those situations, how to come out of stressful situations. I understood that. The most important thing I forgot to share, that self healing is what I learned. Healing myself. This is a very a vital point that I should share with everyone. Mm,
Is it really self compassion? Being compassionate towards yourself is the main thing that we all
main,
don't do. We are
yes,
more into those self sabotage patterns, and we are cursing ourselves, and having those wrong patterns where we are really harming ourselves in our thoughts and in our actions also. And the main aim is to become more compassionate towards ourselves, right? And then we become good role models to our kids because then they do the same, right?
yes, 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 ma'am. Uh, Compassion, because we treat ourselves with lot of, we judge ourselves throughout the day, that I'm not doing this for my child. I'm not doing. If I give time to myself, I feel bad about it. So from judging myself to I'm shifting to the place where I'm having a lot of compassion towards myself, and the same is applicable to others also, because we keep on judging people, how they are, what they're doing to me and all. So we can, I mean, I learned not to judge people, rather treat them with lot of compassion. That is
Hmm.
what um, I have learned. And um,
Did you think that 10 weeks is a very long thing, and how will you do it? What were your thoughts about that?
Initially I thought that 10 weeks is too long, so we could have made it, I mean, short or something, or but as the classes went on, I felt that um, uh, this is the time that we could heal ourselves, because it needs time. We are in this stress since so many years. It's not that it's some months or something like that. So to really come out of that, we also need time. We also need to talk self talk with ourselves. We also need to I mean, have a good relationship with our family. I mean, what all bad went before, they need time to adjust, and we also need time to, I mean, give what all good that we have got from you. I mean, what you have taught us, I cannot say this. This not teaching is a not right word, but what you have really, I mean, put into us, I mean, the healing thing. So they also need that time. So this time was really good, because we got lot of time to um, really come out of the situation, not, and again not to slip into that after these 10 weeks.
Yeah.
That is the most important thing.
And do you think doing it in the group helped more rather than doing it
Definitely.
individually?
Definitely, ma'am. We all supported each other. We all were like, I mean, we had some connections. I feel lot of compassion, love, and lot of support. And it has to be. I mean, I don't know. I should suggest or not, but it has to be in group. It has to be in group actually, because everyone have their own perception towards a particular situation. And when everyone helps you, and when you are in a team, I mean, you feel like, okay, I can do that. I mean, I can heal myself. And I mean, it's like चुटकी में हो जाएगा, मतलब whatever may be the situation, हम आ जाएंगे उससे बाहर निकल के. And ऐसे है तो कोई बात नहीं है. We will definitely come out of this situation, and we'll definitely grow. I feel our all childs will grow. Are all, I mean, we will grow, and they will grow. This is
Yeah.
what is my
Yeah.
perception.
Yeah. And it is not that children's diagnosis has changed or the situation has changed. Nothing really has changed on the outside. What has really changed is only inside, right? It's a lot of work and it still continues. I mean, 10 weeks is a very small time. I'm sure it's going to continue. But it's a lot of change which is within, right?
Yes, a lot of, ma'am. It's the changes. I mean, the our perception at that time, situations were bad, situations are the same today, but our perception has changed, and we don't fall into that stress anymore. We, I mean, every parent who has a child with special needs is a really very stressful thing. Uh, but I don't think now it's stressful for me. I can. It's not a stressful thing. He will learn. That is, I have the confidence my child will learn. He will prosper and he will do something good. Something
He
good will
will,
happen.
and he will के बजाय he is already learning, he is already growing. It's just that we never saw that bit of it, you know.
Yes,
It's
yes, yes.
about that. Yeah.
Every
Great,
game is
thank
a
you.
game.
Yes, every gain is a gain. When two aeroplanes they go apart even 5 degrees, even 10 degrees, but over a long period of time as they go apart, it's a big change, you know. So small little changes do give us big. One single step at a time will lead us to so many kilometers, right, of walking.
Yeah, sure, definitely, ma'am.
Yeah.
And the caregivers, I mean the parents, if they are in a state of, I mean, mm, uh, if they are in a state of accepting everything and being happy with every moment that we are living in a day, every therapy that we are giving, if we are giving it lot of love, I mean, I'll definitely share that experience of, I mean, the word of yours, ma'am. If we are filled with love, if a glass is filled with coffee, it will spill out coffee only. If we are filled in stress, will spill out stress only. If we are filled with love, we'll spill out love only. Whatever may be the situation, we will give love to our child, and he will prosper with love. I mean, definitely he will prosper. Whatever, I mean, कुछ भी करेगा वो अच्छा ही करेगा. जो भी, and he is doing. That is
Yeah.
what.
I love that confidence. Thank you so much, Vijeta. It's beautiful. Thank
Thank.
you for speaking from your heart. It is. I'm thankful. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, I would like to add one thing, ma'am. It is from all of us, not only me. We all have lot of regards for you, and you have changed our lives beautifully, ma'am. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you.